As you have seen, there are many agricultural support robots like in the video. And I built a simpler version of this robot with the ROBOTIS Dream. Today I will introduce to you my robot. It can easily help people in planting and harvesting. The name of that robot is Harvesting Robot. Now, let's take a look about it. There is a switch to turn on the conveyor system. Turn the robot on and let the robot detect grown trees by the cinder sensor. Next, let's see the robot in action. In the future, I will upgrade more features, for example the heating system or the watering system. See you next time!